How to fix Messenger not ringing. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the auto sync in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure your phone is not in silent mode. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now scroll down. Now scroll down and find Messenger. Now simply tap on Messenger. Now simply tap on force stop. Now scroll down. Tap on notifications. Now enable the toggle for notifications. Also make sure to enable the toggle for ring. Now scroll down and tap on calls. Now select ring. Now select your ringtone. And that's it. I hope this would fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.